welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Garden Mysteries Twyla, as you can see here. So let's get her out of box. Okay, so here it is, all the packaging. It has this key that you can use to unlock. It also has this little screen thing that you're supposed to look through to find clues, but I couldn't figure out how to make it work on the other Monster Mystery one I have, so I just don't use that thing. I'm gonna unlock one of the doors and we'll see what we get in the bags in here. The print on this bag the bag print looks sort of like vines. And in this bag we have the part of the thingy that you use to lift the doll up. Her hangers, which are black. The Monster Mystery, at least for Claudine, she had a silver hanger, so I think that's interesting if they're doing different colors. She has this little teacup, and there's a steam coming out of it, and there's a little bunny in the steam, which is fun. And then there's the little thingy for the hangers to hang on, and the thingy that you stick the doll on. I do not know what either is called. And the hanger thingy goes in right here for the hangers. And in the next bag, we have a little tray, I think. Another part of the thingy you use to open the doll. These two things go together, I think. There they go, like that. And then there's this little gingerbread house. It has little ghosts on it, which is fun. And a little peg. I'm not sure what the peg is for yet. And then there's this little bunny ghost. I think it's a gingerbread cookie, and that's fun. Unlock the other side. In the first bag, this is a big bag. We have, oh, it's her clothes. So she has this somewhat, I think it's like a mesh undershirt with these sort of poofy sleeves. I like it. I think it's fun. Makes me think a bit of Victorian shirts. And then there's her skirt, and this is a really soft material. I'm not really sure what it feels like, but it's a bit like a fleece. No, not a fleece, I'm not sure, but fuzzy, and I like it. And then we have her corset top thing. I really like the corset tops that the Garden Mysteries come with, and I think they're fun. And I like this one with the lace at the top, although the lace does not go all the way around. And then we have her other pair of shoes. So her shoes have a bit of a, this makes me think of spiderweb. I don't know if that's the theme. She has a little spider on the heel and the bottom. It has a wood print, which is fun. And I don't know if these are supposed to be flames or smoke, but it's fun either way. So those are some cool shoes. And in the last bag, we have, oops, the bag. Oh, that's fun. It's like a little, it makes me think a bit of a little like dollhouse type thing. The windows and the smoke, and then the back is also really fun. And it opens, and oh, there's little wood prints. I think that's like a shelf. It's like a little room inside. That's really cool. And then, okay, we have her earrings, which are these little flowers, and that's fun. And then we have the last piece for the thing you use to open it, and it's a flower that has like lips and a teeth on the inside, and I think that's a little interesting. Not sure what I think of it. And I think you stick it in just right down here, and you should be able to slide the doll up. Now it doesn't fit in the frame anymore, but the doll is in here, and so I'm going to get her out of the packaging and then show you. Okay, so here is the doll. Now in the thingy that she came in, she also came with this thingy which you stick in the elevator part to keep the doll in. And so here she is. This Twyla has more purple in her hair than blue, and I like that. Especially like the shade of a purple that they use. And her makeup, it's really pretty. I think this is the first side-eye Twyla. But I really like the gradient they got in her eyeshadow and how her lips are shiny. I really like that. For her outfit, she has... I really like the printed flowers on this dress, and I love that they have corsets, like belt corsets too. It's really fun. This is sort of like, not exactly plastic, it is plastic, but it's more that rubbery plastic. And I think these are supposed to be her socks, but they came all the way up at her knees like that. It's a little weird, I don't know. And her shoes here, she has little books for the heels, which is fun. And the bottoms have little locks. And the pattern makes me think of couch cushions. I don't know if that's what it was supposed to be like, but that's what I think of. Anyway, so there she is and all of her stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to be comparing her with all my other Twylas. Now, as you can see, this is the only one with the purple hair and the only one with side eyes. Now, I've noticed that, so this Twyla and the Fearbook Twyla, they're the only two without bangs, and they also have smaller eyes, which I find interesting. And the new Twyla has the about similar hand color as the Fearbook Twyla, but her hands are different from the Neon Frights one, but they are also the same color as the Creepover one. And I think her lips also look a little bigger than the Creepover one. Yeah, and they also look a little bigger than the Neon Frights one. Now I think these two have the same hair colors because they're both the same poly. And yeah, as far as clothing go, I don't really have these in their original outfit to compare them, but they have the similar color scheme still, and they're all very fun. And I suspect, I haven't tried it yet, but I don't think she's gonna have glow-in-the-dark eyes because the Neon Frights one doesn't, so I think it's the Skulltimate Secrets don't get glow-in-the-dark eyes, but I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.